Okay, we're back. This lesson you don't really need to do. It's just I wanted to point something out. Uh, we'll go to our iPad here, and you'll notice that the iPad Wizard icon has no picture. So I figured out a way to do it. Anybody interested? I do have a Wix. That is a Wix site, so I'm going to get on my Wix editor, go up to Settings, and click on Favicon right there. Yep, Favicon. I don't know what that means, but now I want to upload an image to my Favicon. Right there, upload. Click on it. Yeah, click on it. Okay. I'm going to choose that ugly guy right there. Choose File. There it is. I'm going to go up and save it. Save it, yes. Okay, save. X out of there. And go ahead and save it again. It is saved. Now I want to go ahead and publish it. And that's done. Let's clear that one out. The editor. Click on that twice. Oop, only clicked on it once. Try it again. Click on it twice. Sweep it out of there. Well, the picture's still not there, but let's go ahead and turn it on and turn it off and see if it comes back. Okay, enter the site. Want to go ahead and close it out. And double click it. Sweep it out. And yes, there it is. The icon has my picture. That is a way to do it. Anyway, I just thought I'd show everybody.